The trapezoidal rule is a rule that we use to find the area of irregular shapes. So in this instance, we've got something that looks a bit like a golf green. We could do it alternatively by using a rough estimate, like a rectangle, to have a guess at the area of the shape. But we find that this is more exact. So the rule is the area. Now note that it has approximately, because this isn't exact. The area is equal to W, which is the width, multiplied by half of the first. So L1, L2, L3 are just referring to the lines. So it's talking about line 1, line 2, line 3. It's not asking you to do anything to these. It's just identifying which line they are. Ln is the last line. We don't know how many lines there are, so we say Ln. So what you need to notice is that you take half of the first, plus the second, plus the third, plus the fourth, plus however many there are, plus half of the last line. Add them together and multiply them by the width. So let's go through an example. A dam has the dimensions shown, and they're 10 meter wide strips here. So each one of these is 10 meters, and we must have the same width between each strip for this to work. So using the rule, the area is equal to the width, which is 10, multiplied by, so half of the first, of meaning times, so half of 3.8 plus the second line, plus the third line, plus the fourth line. And because over here we've got our last line, we have to add half times the last. So I can put that straight into my calculator just like that. Make sure you're including the brackets, and I can pop that in and I get 714.5 square meters. So again, really important that you remember half of the first, half of the last. That's the key thing when we're using the trapezoidal rule. Good luck.